is as we empty out that shark coffin, that's all still good ethanol, so we want to reuse it and distribute it to some of these tanks that might need a little bit more. The tank that we're doing right now is a tank that has a large sturgeon in it here, good looking guy, as well as several different types of billfish. So in here we have marlin. We also have some round scale spearfish. We have some white marlin. These are specimens that come to us from the Cape May fishing tournament. So this is a nice example of a collaboration between a fishing tournament and VIMS. We have a scientist here who's interested in looking at the genetics of billfish populations. And so he will go to these tournaments where the fishermen bring in these fish and take tissue samples that we can then use for research. Occasionally we get mortalities that come in on the fishing boat, so the fishermen will bring in dead fish and then we'll take them into the collection, and then we can study not only the molecules and the DNA of these fish, but their morphology as well. We can study their scales, we can study their anatomy, and so this is primarily our billfish and marlin tank. With the sturgeon and a tarpon.